How to download TikTok back if you deleted it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok back on your iPhone if you've deleted it, no matter the model or country you're in. If you're missing a TikTok fix, I've got you covered with easy steps to get back it. Let's get started. So you've accidentally deleted TikTok or it's missing from your iPhone. There are a few reasons this could happen. Maybe you uninstalled it, or it was removed from the App Store in your country. Don't worry though, there are multiple ways to get TikTok back. First, open the App Store on your iPhone, and this is where you'll find TikTok if it's available in your region. Just go ahead and search for TikTok. If you can find it, simply tap on install and open it. Now, if TikTok is still not showing up, it could be due to your region settings. TikTok might not be available in your current country's App Store, so we need to check your Apple ID region settings. Let's go to settings. Tap on your name at the top, then tap on Media and Purchases. From here, select View Account. Now tap on Country Region and choose a country where TikTok is available. For example, you can select US, Japan, China, Korea, depending on your preferences. After selecting the new country, follow the prompts to update your account's information. If you ask for a payment method, you can select None if you don't want to add a payment option. Once done, just simply go back to the App Store and search for TikTok again. And once TikTok is installed, you can go back to your Apple ID settings and change the country back to your original country if you want. You can repeat the steps to switch it back to your home region. And that's it. That's how you can simply download TikTok back on your iPhone.